kufanya kazi ya kwa choo. Wewe unaenda kwa mtihani and what you are giving the teacher. Like today's exam we did, I was asking 2 economic activities. Mtu ananipea handing na ile ingine ilikuwa nini? Farming. Na amemaliza. Nani atakupea marks yako? Farming, handing. Uelezi hiyo farming inaonekana wapi? Farming ni nini? Handing ni nini? That is brevity. English is about expressing yourself. If you don't express yourself, you will not pass. If asked, what is blossoms of the savannah? Don't say it is a novel. That is very brief. Repeat and say, Blossoms of the Savannah is a novel written by Joseph Olekulet. It is being examined in 844.4. Hapo umejieleza at least. But what is Blossoms of the Savannah novel? Hakuna marks utapata. So we deny ourselves marks because we are very brief, giving single answer, or rather single word answers that are not self-expressive at all. This is brought about by majority students being linguistically handicapped. Here, matia lugha. Majority of us are like that, linguistically handicapped. So write somewhere, linguistic handicappedness. And it is brought about by lack of reading. We don't read widely. We don't have the words to use. We don't have the words to express ourselves. That's why we read a student who is filled up and akwambia book. What is wrong with the book? Instead of telling the teacher my book is filled up, you are saying book. Where are you coming from? Home. Sasa hiyo ni answer gani? I am coming from home. So in everything, construct sentences and avoid brief answers. Hapo nimemaliza. Failure to read or go through your notes that are given by the teachers. Students in this school only write notes. They have no time to go through the notes. They have no time to synthesize the notes. And that is why when you get a book, you find it is like the way it was taken from the secretary. It has nothing else. So make sure you read your notes when you write them thoroughly. Like you have an archive where you go and write them. The next point is that students not acting on the comments that teachers make when they check your notes, when they mark your work. Me, I mark writing comments. You don't read those comments. The next minute, we find you repeating the same mistake. You don't act on teachers' comments, and you are allowed to continue to be there. The reason why we mark your work is to find your mistakes. We correct them so that you don't repeat them. But when we correct you, you don't act upon teachers' comments. Next point, some students do not add all the notes that the teacher has given out. And this leads to what we call content mastering gaps. Wewe unaandika notes ukirukaruka. One page is not written. 3 pages notes are missing. And you expect to have continuous flow of what the teacher was teaching. So make sure all the notes are continuous, and this way you will have the expected mastery of content. There is lack of self-awareness that you are in Form 4. That's why I said, you are still behaving like a Form 1. Ujui next year you are not needed here. Ujui you are now going to college. Well, now ukali Form 1, Form 2. You are still showing teachers your teeth. Na wakati wa kuonesha na mbele umeisha. You need to know you are in Form 4. You are sitting for an exam. That is what we are calling lack of self-awareness. Some students do not consult the teachers on areas they have difficulties, something which they carry on to the main exam. If you go to an exam and there is something that you are not clear of, you will still not write anything. So consult teachers wisely. No personal investment or initiative in knowledge acquisition. students in this school do not take their own initiative to buy their own revision books, to buy guidebooks, and even liaising with students from other schools is a problem. You don't source reading materials from elsewhere. You don't inquire from students from other schools. How far have you gone in literature? Geography mmefika wapi? There is no interaction with students from other schools. So you don't know what happens elsewhere. That's why you rarely see students with papers from Makalu, papers from Kiapwa, papers from international school. Nani akonayo hapa nimpe 50 bob? Hakuna. Kutoka shule gani? Hiyo wana sio. Mwingine uko na zawadi Kapsabet. Mwingine hiyo point ni kweli walimu. Simuona wangapi? Wawili out of 17. Knowledge is not a preserve from an individual. You have to source it from all over the world. That is gone. So there is no personal investment in learning. So we are talking of attitude towards teacher is needed to be very positive. If you hate your teacher, you cannot pass in that subject. So the secret to passing a subject is loving your teacher. Jana nilifisiwa na wasichana kama 6 hivi. Aliniambia teacher mwanisi hiyo. Nilikuwa na wachase from my office. Si walikuwa wananimisi. Am I their boyfriend? Am I their boyfriend? Walikuwa wananimisi kwa nini? Wako na kiu ya masomo. Wanauliza tutaanza kazuo lini? Wewe ni lini ulienda kuuliza Mr. Mutunga mtaanza fahamu majina ni lini? Shauri yako. The attitude you have towards your teacher will govern a lot how you are going to perform. Lack of practice in English. Language is about reading, you read. Speaking, you speak. Writing, you write. This will actualize the old adage that practice makes perfect. Hizo point zote nimesiweka kwa hii karatasi. Si uko nayo? Utaenda uisome, mahali utaelewa, uje unione. Consultation leo, wangapi wameniona leo? Hebu inua mkono. Sio kwa kitu kingine lakini walikuwa na consult. Hebu inua mkono. Si nilikuwa na wasichana wengine ama wao walisema watakuja baadaye. Nani alisema atakuja baadaye? Masi was having problems. Mndugu uliona kitabu? Na unakaa hapo unaniimbisha unasema hujaniona. Anoso ameniona lakini if you don't consult the teacher, you are finished. I'm done.